What if I told you that most people stay broke because of habits they don't even notice? And no, it's not because they don't earn enough money. In fact, some high-income earners struggle financially for the exact same reason. Today, we're exposing 7 money habits that silently destroy wealth. And the final habit is so common that millions of people do it every single day. Habit number 1. Spending before thinking. Many purchases happen emotionally instead of logically. A sale appears and suddenly buying feels impossible to resist. But every unnecessary purchase steals money from your future self. Successful people often pause before making a purchase. Some even wait 24 hours before deciding to buy something. That simple habit can save thousands of dollars over time. Habit number 2. Lifestyle inflation. You start earning more money than before, then almost immediately you start spending more money too. A bigger income quickly turns into a bigger lifestyle, but somehow your savings account barely changes. This trap keeps many people working much longer than necessary. The wealthy often increase investing before increasing spending. That's one of the biggest differences between rich and poor thinking. Habit number 3. Ignoring where your money actually goes. Most people can tell you exactly how much they earn, but very few can tell you where all their money went last month. Small expenses often seem harmless in the moment, but over time, those small expenses quietly add up. That's why tracking your spending is so powerful. Awareness is always the first step toward financial control. Habit number 4. Relying on debt for happiness. Many people buy things they simply cannot afford, just to impress people they barely even know. Debt feels exciting at the beginning, but monthly payments usually last much longer than the excitement, and financial freedom becomes harder and harder to reach. The wealthy often use debt strategically and carefully, not emotionally. Habit number 5. Avoiding financial education. Many people spend years learning how to earn money, but almost no time learning how to manage it. Financial knowledge can save you decades of expensive mistakes. And what comes next may be the most dangerous habit so far. Habit number 6. Trying to look rich instead of becoming rich. Many people spend money on appearances and status, but appearances alone never create real wealth. Real wealth is often invisible to other people. In fact, many millionaires don't look like millionaires at all because they prioritize assets over attention. Now, we're finally approaching the most dangerous habit of all. This habit affects almost everyone at some point. Even wealthy people struggle with it, and it's probably costing you money right now. Habit number 7, procrastination. People delay saving money, they delay investing money, they delay learning valuable financial skills. And before they realize it, years have passed. The truth is, most financial mistakes can be fixed, but lost time is something you'll never get back. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is today. Which of these 7 habits are you working to break? Comment below and start building your future today. Before you leave, answer this honestly. Which habit has cost you the most money so far? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart money lessons.